What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Collegium Pillar Destroyer High in this Prism Blue colorway. Today's video as always is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell ETPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or just for your regular sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I honestly find them to be very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is my latest Collegium shoe pickup, and for those who aren't familiar with Collegium, they're a California-based independent brand that sells mostly sneakers, but they also have delved into apparel and accessories as well. And all their products are super high quality and made straight from Italy. So I've been supporting Collegium for years now. I'm a good friend of Nick, and we've known each other for years. And it's crazy to see the growth and the rise in popularity of his brand. So if you guys haven't heard of them before, I'll add their website and their social media, all that stuff down below as well. So this in my hand is the Pillar Destroyer High, which is arguably their most signature silhouette. And this is releasing today, April 30th, for a price of $250 US, which is equivalent to roughly 320 Canadian dollars. And like the majority of the releases, this pair is sure to sell out as well. So first off, here's a quick look at the box. This comes in your standard white based cardboard box. We have Collegium branding done in this gold foil finish, and inside they give us this black cloth dust bag as well. So diving into the details of this shoe, the entire upper is constructed using calfskin leather, which comes straight from Italy. So on the toe box, the leather here is perforated and it's done in this very smooth, very soft white colored finish. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this equally as soft, smooth black leather, and this black leather covers the eyelets of the shoe, and it covers this mid-panel stripe as well. Moving downwards, we have more of that white colored leather, and then surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have this prism blue colored leather, along with the Collegium logo debossed on the lateral side. And on the heel panel, you'll notice that it's triple stitched, which represents Collegium's three pillars of material, craft, and wearability. Above this, we have a blue leather pull tab, and the top portion of the heel is also covered in that blue leather. Turning our attention back to the front, so for the laces, these come with three different lace options. The standard default lace is just your normal flat style lace in white, but they also give you a secondary pair of cream colored laces and a faded light blue colored lace as well. Underneath this, we have a black nylon tongue, and at the very top we have this leather tag with Collegium branding found written across, and the outer edges of the tongue are covered in this black colored leather. The interior of the shoe is lightly padded, and it's covered in this very soft white colored leather. And then as for the insoles, these come with a very thick polyurethane foam insole. It's leather lined on top with Collegium branding stamped on, and if I flip the insole over to the other side, you'll see it's super well padded, which makes the shoe very comfortable, especially underneath the heel. So the upper of the Pillar Destroyer High sits atop this solid rubber cupsole, which is painted in this vintage looking cream colored finish. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is done in this bold blue colored rubber. We have this circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with Collegium branding found in the middle of the outsole. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. And for those wondering about sizing, so for Collegium shoes, they release them in European sizing. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I go with a size 43 for the Pillar Destroyer High, but I feel like in a perfect world, the 42.5, if it existed, that would be the perfect fit for this shoe. So long story short, if you're a 10 to 10.5, I'd go with a 43. But if you're more like say a 9 to a 9.5, I'd go with a 42. But you can go on their website, they have a full detailed breakdown about the sizing. Moving on to the comfort, so I find this shoe to be very comfortable. First off, the quality of the leather is super soft and it feels broken in already straight out of the box, so there's absolutely no break-in time required. And then as for the underfoot feeling, like I mentioned before, that insole is very well padded, so there's a good amount of squishiness and softness underfoot, while being still relatively low to the ground, stable, and just a very ideal shoe to wear for everyday casual use. Last but not least, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so this is the part of the review that I really should just skip over because the material quality of Collegium products are always top notch. So this leather, like I mentioned before, it comes straight from Italy and it's not garbage leather, it's actual genuine leather, and you can tell just by running your hand across it or just by smelling the shoe. And similarly, the overall build and craftsmanship on this pair, I thought it was pretty flawless. I didn't notice any issues at all with this pair, so as always, I was very pleased. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, as always, the material quality, the craftsmanship was great, and I'm a big fan of this color blocking. Love it or hate it, obviously this is going to draw comparisons to the Fragment Air Jordan 1s, and I know Collegium gets a lot of hate from people that don't really understand the inspiration behind this shoe, but if you check out some of their interviews in the past, you'll understand that this silhouette goes beyond just an Air Jordan 1, and it incorporates elements of the Nike Blazer and the Nike Terminator. But at this point, I think it's fair to say that Collegium is still more of a niche brand, so it's just one of those shoes that you probably either love or you hate. For me though, you can chalk me up on the side that loves their brand, and I'll continue to support them as they keep on giving us top-notch quality products for a very reasonable price point. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Prism Blue Collegium Pillar Destroyer High. What are your overall thoughts on this silhouette and this colorway? And for anyone watching, were you able to grab these when they released today? Did you take an L or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.